Hello and welcome to Reservoir Travel. In this video, we will take you on a tour of Seine River cruise. Seine River cruise offers a charming and captivating way to explore the heart of Paris. With both daytime and nighttime cruises available, visitors can choose the ambience they prefer, from the sunlit panoramas to the romantic shimmer of the city lights. Sailing around the Seine River provides an enchanting perspective of Paris' iconic landmarks. The experience of cruising down the Seine with its many historic bridges and the charming riverside architecture creates an unforgettable memory for visitors. The Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame Cathedral, and Louvre Museum are just a few of breathtaking sights visible from the comfort of the boat. Seine River cruises often feature informative commentary, offering insights into the history and significance of the landmarks passing by. The boats themselves vary from modern vessels to more traditional bateaux, some including amenities like dining, allowing passengers to indulge in delicious French cuisine while enjoying the scenic views. Whether taking a short one-hour tour or opting for a more extended excursion, Seine River cruises cater to different preferences, making them a delightful and relaxing way to absorb the beauty and culture of this mesmerizing city. Every week, we will take you to the most amazing places in the world. Follow us so you don't miss our next tour.